What are your core strengths? What exactly you want to do in your life? And that is exact point that I want you to do. You want to make money, you want financial freedom, and for that you need some money. Simple. And for that some money, you learn some skills. A lot of people, after they complete the college, the first thing they want to do is a business. But then the problem is you will not get immediate success in business. So people think that, okay, I may be able to get a job first. Then along with my job, I will be starting my own startup. Now, this is where the problem comes. The moment a lot of my own students I've seen, they think of starting the startup, they fail to understand that if you have to go into something which is a high-tech business or another AI business, because money is there, right? Big money is there. So people want to venture into that. But is that your strength? That's the question. If that is not your strength, then why are you venturing into that? Why are you going to invest in the next few years in a hope that you will make that treasure? And if you don't make that, and this is the case of 99% people, it's not the startups which fail. No, startups don't fail. The people who are running the startups are not capable to run that startup. And that's why they fail. And that's exactly I want you to fix today. As a person, one person. Most people cannot manage a team of 20, 30 people also. We have to be in the reality. It's not a point of ego that, oh, Sumit is just being very critical. Think of me as a critical person. That's what a mentor should do, right? As a mentor, what I should do? I should appreciate you so much without any reason, or I should actually give the right guidance that you are not getting from people. Your parents may not be able to guide you in the startup arena. They may tell you about what you should do in your life, which is right and which is wrong ethically. But what you should be doing right now is to understand one fact. You want to make money, you want to make money ethically, but then you should make money on your strength. So, what's your strength? You are one person. As a one person entrepreneur, instead of doing any other business, you should do a business which is digital, which can be managed easily, where you can simply do transactions and keep your profits. There are many opportunities, but internet business, which you also call as e-commerce business, this has got many opportunities. You can sell digital products, you can sell physical products, you can do drop shipping, you can even do wholesaling, you can even do exports, you can do anything. You can even sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho. Many more things are available. You can actually create your own brand and you can sell products online. But then we have to choose a niche, what product we should be selling. So for that, I have been making a complete end-to-end program so that whoever are there right now listening to me, I know as a lot of you are currently in a job, or a lot of you may be students, or some of you are already struggling in life. I'm sure maybe you are struggling in life and you want to get out of that struggle. And that's why you're watching my video. And this is exactly what I want you to fix. I want you to have that financial freedom based on the strength that you have got. I'll give you the complete step-by-step roadmap, what you need to do. I'm going to give you guarantee that you will be able to make sales. Sales is straightforward making money. You will have the freedom, you will have the independency. So you can get the buyer's database, you can get the plug-and play store builder, you will also get the mentorship. What else you need? This will help you to master digital marketing and online sales with my one single flagship program, which we also call as the all-in-one program. That's Certified E-commerce Professional. It's a fully valid government recognized program, so do not worry about this. And Indian's e-commerce is also a public-private partnership with the government of India. So what you're seeing right now, this will change your life completely. We have integrated every single thing that is required to learn about e-commerce or online business. From fundamentals of e-commerce sales, like from the history, the present, the future of online business, to how to build an e-commerce store or a website non-technically. It's very easy. I'm also going to give you an e-commerce store where you can see like everything is integrated, the products and all. You can simply click on this, like add new product and just list the product details and the product can be live. Very simple. It's completely non-technical. You can just add your domain name and you can have your own website of your own. You can add the themes, the design that you like. You can choose that. You can customize these designs. Everything is in your own hands. So now why I'm giving all these things? Because I'm an entrepreneur and I feel the pain of other entrepreneurs, other people who are currently working. They have EMIs, they have many expenses in their life. And that's what exactly I want you to fix. I want you to learn this art of e-commerce business, online business, digital marketing, sales, so that you can have money coming in your life. That is not small money. I'm talking about some serious, real money. And here You're getting all these 18 certifications as part of the bundle. One is a certified e-commerce professional itself, plus 17 more certifications, all together as a bundle. And I'm also making sure that this program is going to be practical, online, live, and interactive. So once you go through this entire program, you will have complete understanding of e-commerce and digital marketing. And more importantly, you're going to get video-based lectures, plus ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, all these different formats of content that you are seeing here right now. So for example, if I take you to the e-commerce fundamentals course, what you're seeing here, these are the modules and these are all recorded and these are going to be very helpful for you as an entrepreneur to have that mindset. I'm also going to have live classes on an ongoing basis because I have to give you the e-commerce store builder on which you will be building the e-commerce business, right? So you will require a real-time learning on how to do sales. If you see my own sales, it's about $1 million. I'm doing wholesaling. I'm doing exports. I've got about 8,000 plus products with me, and my business is going well because I'm mainly taking care of the B2B segment. I'm heavily utilizing the power of e-commerce store builder because I'm also non-technical person like you. I'm giving a lot of discount offers and many other marketing strategies I have in my mind. So what I'm going to give you is a plug and play e-commerce startup business in grocery niche. Okay. Let's first explore about, if I simply write the keyword grocery, you see that 1,000 people have purchased this particular one single product I'm talking about the last month. Okay. 2,000 people paid for this. In 19 point, that's $20 value of product. At $5,000 people have paid for the last month this. 10,000 people have paid about $12 the last month for this. What you're seeing, one very common thing in all these things, these grocery items are having an ongoing regular sales that is in thousands. That means if you venture into a business like this, even you should be confident that you can make great amount of profits in this or not. Just have a simple calculation. 30,000 people bought the last month and at $30 approximately. That means you're making almost $900,000 worth of sales just in 1 month. To show the calculation, here we go. That means you're touching $1 million in sales just for one single product. 90,000 people bought the last month at $22. That means it's about $2 million. $2 million in Indian rupees, if you calculate, it's almost 16.25 crores. Isn't that a big business opportunity for you? Just be real and think that why are you struggling in your life? For what reason? When you can actually empower yourself with the power of e-commerce. Same if you see in Etsy.com. There are beautiful products which are getting sold all across the world. I'm now opening the Singapore's Lazada website and you can see 1,000 sold, 24,000 sold, 27,000 sold, 10,000 sold, 1,79,000 sold, 71,000 sold, 6,000, 6,900, 2,93,000 sold. What do you see? One very common thing in this. These are grocery items. These are food items. Same if you go to Rakuten and you can see, even though it's in Japanese, but I can just tell you, like if you convert this language from Japanese to English and you can read this, these are again having thousands of sales every single month. Same if you go to Dubai's known website, some are brands, but some are even non-branded food products. But products are getting sold, right? So what opportunity I'm talking to you? I'm saying that continue with the job. Have the 9 to 5 job forever for your life. Or you have an option to actually leave that job or whatever you are doing right now. Get out of that rat race by starting an e-commerce business with the right guidance and mentorship. Learn the skills. Get 1 or 2 good products and then start promoting them in e-commerce marketplaces. But more than e-commerce marketplaces, I will always vouch for one thing, e-commerce exports. I did my master's in international trade. That's MIB. And after that, I myself worked with Alibaba Group, that is the global trade portal. And I was not a seller, by the way. I created a program for Alibaba. And here it is. As you can see here, Alibaba IIEC GT program. And this is a literal agreement between IIEC and Alibaba Group China. You can read it. Everything is transparently kept in our website. And he's a general manager of Alibaba. So with my experience working with Alibaba, with Amazon, with WTO, that is World Trade Organization, and we have also created program in collaboration with Tata Group and EDII, and the institute IIEC is also AICTE approved. So with all these things, what is one thing I'm going to give you. I'm giving you something which is a plug and play business opportunity. So this is not just a course, it's a complete business in itself. You'll get 17 certificates, you will get lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support. You'll get mentors will be there to guide you regularly. You are a student working professional, whatever you can always start a new business which is not with income, active income. However you are comfortable, you can learn this art and making great impact in your life. So at Indian e-commerce, I've created many different niche programs. And one program that I'm talking about is the grocery business. And I have already shown you how big is the grocery niche. So I'll be teaching you in this program from where to source different grocery products, an exact methodology that you should apply in terms of learning, and how do you upload these products into your own e-commerce store, and how you can sell these products and make profits. These products will always remain even if it is a session also. So making great amount of profit using e-commerce grocery business is very easy. Crores of rupees people are making, you already know that. So my only suggestion is go ahead with something which is easy to do. You can scale that, you can make money. Of course, you have ideas, you want to make that big application in future, the mobile app that can transform lives of many people. You can become millionaire, billionaire in that. But before that, at least get started with something where you can make money right now. And e-commerce grocery niche is that one opportunity in which you can make serious profits. You can do wholesale, you can do many things. I have many testimonials of successful students of IIEC. So with the proper digital marketing strategy and the ready-made e-commerce store builder, you can get started with a business immediately. So go for this plug and play store builder. I'm going to give you this entire training and support assistance so that you can build this business. Even though this is going to cost you very less amount, but doesn't mean that in this amount you should not be able to start a business. People think that investing minimum crore, 2 crore rupees will give them a business opportunity. And a lot of people do not have that much money also to invest, to do the testing. So here what you're doing is basically learning and doing the on-ground testing of the online business opportunity that I'm giving you. So don't wait for this opportunity. We do not know what will happen tomorrow. So if you have certain EMIs going on, some expenses are there, this one online business opportunity can take care of a lot of your expenses. This will give you a stress-free life. And if you are able to make sales, I'm very confident that you can actually become the next big startup. Grab this opportunity today with Indian Institute of E-Commerce and join my mentorship and see you there in my program.